everyone, welcome to Chang Fun Learning channel. I'm Chang. I designed this 学中文 Learn Chinese beginner course for people who want to eventually travel, live, or do business in Chinese-speaking countries. In this Chinese beginner course, we have 6 chapters to learn together. First chapter is Introduction of Pinyin. I will show you the functions of Pinyin and Pinyin finals, initials, and tones. Second, we'll learn how to greet people, all the greeting expressions, culture of greeting people, and being polite in Chinese. Chapter number 3, we'll learn how to properly introduce yourself with your name, where you come from, age, Chinese zodiacs, and family members, and also your personal preferences on things, your hobbies, your favorite food and drinks. In chapter 4, we'll learn how to request and express your needs, learn practical structures of asking questions, and express your needs. And then chapter number 5 will express time and dates, so for you to make reservations or appointments, and also 5 most useful tenses. In the last chapter, we'll learn body parts and describe yours or other people's appearance, and also learn practical comparison structures, and also express feelings and describe someone's personality. And of course, I have bonus lessons for you. In the bonus lessons, we will learn most useful measure words in Chinese, and also practical verb phrases, and of course, pop quizzes. Looking forward to learning Chinese with you. I'll see you in the next video.